Hi, my name is Hannah, and I highly recommend DC Home Remodeling. Mustafa did a wonderful job by coming by and providing me with some samples and giving me ideas and showing me pictures of past projects that he had done in various homes. He was able to identify specifically what my needs were at home, plus give me options for that suited my style the best. He was very patient, he was very thorough, and he's very professional. They were able to give me the highest quality appliances as well as the most beautiful countertops and cabinets. Honestly, that exceeded my expectations of how it was going to turn out. So I was very, very pleased with them. If you're looking to do any type of home remodeling, I would definitely go with DC Home Remodeling. I wouldn't look anywhere else. You won't be disappointed.